Man, I have to go to school. And I fucking hate school. Oh tits. It's Rocco. Shut the fuck up, 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 shut the fuck up. There's no way I will shut the fuck up. And second, it's time for school. Oh, I got you something to say to you. What is it? No, 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 no. I will never fucking go to school because I hate school. You dragged my fucking hair. Hey, stop cussing at your class. Hunter is here. Good morning, class. And today we're doing some math. Hunter. What? Can I take a piss in the bathroom? I don't care. You can't go to the bathroom. Because the last time you went, you ditched school. I need to use the toilet right fucking now. I will explode. Fine, but we're checking at the security cameras. I got an idea. Since Blinter and JT Mustang don't let me pull the fire alarm or ditch school, I won't do anything. Perfect! I will pull the fire alarm and ditch school at the same time. Ha 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 ha. Yes! Now let's ditch school before Skidoo finds out. Yeah 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 yeah. I can't believe Blinter and JT Mustang fell for it. Now let's go to McDonald's. Yay. Hello, and welcome again to McDonald's. What do you want to eat? I would like 225 Big Macs. Anything else? No. That would be $999. Here you go. Thank you. Would you eat them here, or to go? I would eat them here. Alright, here you go. Thanks! No problem. Jackson, what are you doing here at McDonald's? I came here to order 276 Big Macs and 95 pancakes. What's the waiter's name? Samir. Hello, and welcome to McDonald's. What do you want to eat? I want to eat 276 Big Macs. Anything else? Yes. 95 pancakes. Anything else? Nope, that's all. That would be $20,000. Here you go. Thank you. Would you eat them here, or to go? I would eat them here. Alright, here you go. Thanks! You're welcome! By the way, what's your name? My name is Jackson, and that guy with the yellow hair is Alex. Your name is Samir, right? Yes. Did you got the food? Yes. Hey Jackson, wanna be friends? Sure. McDonald's is so fun. Tyrone, what is 66 times 66?
It's 4,356.
Good job. And where the heck is Alex? He better not ditch school. I better ask JT.
Why hello Hunter. What can I help you?
Alex went to the bathroom, but he has been gone for 1 hour. Is Alex ditching school or pulling the fire alarm?
As a matter of fact, I do. Alex was caught in the security cameras pulling the fire alarm and ditching school at the same time.
What? Are you serious?
Well, yes!
Ooh. That idiot Alex. I got an idea.
Great idea. I will call Rocco right now. Hello, is this Rocco? Yes. Alex was caught on camera pulling the fire alarm and ditching school at the same time. Please bring him back to my office. Okay. Bye. Don't worry, Hunter. Rocco is going to bring him back to my office.
Ah, just me at McDonald's. And Rocco didn't. Alex, you're supposed to be at school right now. Not at McDonald's. Let's go back to school right now. You're in big trouble.
Hello, Alex. Why did you pull the fire alarm and ditch school at the same time?
Tell him the truth, Alex. Okay, here's the truth. I didn't want to get caught in the security cameras. So I decided to pull the fire alarm and ditch school at the same time. And I'm surprised Blemter actually fell for it. Ha 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 ha.
Alex, I cannot believe you pulled the fire alarm and ditched school at the same time. That's it. You're expelled for 6 weeks. Now go home.
Let's go home right now, Alex. Oh. Alex, I cannot believe you pulled the fire alarm and ditched school at the same time. That's it. You're grounded for 6,871,000 and more billion decades. Now go upstairs to your room right now. And think about what have you done. Why?